Okay, so today we are going to okay, so today we are going to be working on um, Python to-do list tasks from what we've learned. So, and then let's see how far we can be able to go. Sorry. So, okay, I don't know which of the app you are using, but I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code. So, can you all see my screen?
Yes, I can see it. Well, I don't know which app you're using right now so that I can follow physically.
Okay, I'm using Visual Studio Code. Oh, this person is no longer in the class. I'm using Visual Studio Code.
Okay, I don't think I have that on my
Yeah, you
system.
can still use the other one. It will work fine.
The Chrome.
Yes?
I can still use Chrome.
No, Chrome. Was it Chrome you were using all this while? What we are using to practice the videos? I thought, didn't you install Microsoft? I say Microsoft. Didn't you install PyCharm?
I install Python. No, I haven't.
Okay, and you can use PyCharm for what we're about to do now.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me see if I can install it.
Uh-uh. You've not installed it all this while.
No, I haven't. I actually just fixed my system and got it.
Oh, okay.
I was having issues, yes. Okay, I'm coming. Let me see if I can install it. PyCharm, please can you help me to spell it?
That will take you a long period of time. Don't worry, I'll just do the class, then I'll have it recorded.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
So, but PyCharm is PYCH. No, but don't install PyCharm. Install Visual Studio Code instead.
Okay, sir. I will.
Okay. All right. So, guys, let's continue. So today we are going to be working on to-do list, Python to-do list. So first thing you are going to do is tags. That's what we are basically doing. So we are going to be creating a list, Python to-do list. So Python tags equals to Python tags is equals to this. So we are going to first of all create a function, add tags. Oh my God, add underscore tags. So it's going to be it. Okay, so what we've basically done here is we have created we have created a Python. We've created a Python to-do list. So this we want to create a to-do, like normal to-do list, right? On your phone, like when you want to like create a to-do list. So I'm sure have you reached list have you guys did you reach list in your videos? lists, dictionaries, and all those things. Have you reached there?
No, not yet.
What about you, Mr. Inka? What about you, Mr. Inka? So next thing that we are doing is we are removing tags. Okay. Mr. Inka, are you here?
I'm here. Only that my network is just going on and off.
Okay, I said, have you reached all those lists in your Python?
Yes.
Okay, so we want to create a to-do list. So the first thing I did here was I had a variable name called tags. Then I created an empty list because the list to-do list we want to be creating is the user that will be the one that is imputing the data. So that's why we do not have any data inside here. That's why you have this space to be empty.
Okay.
Yeah. So then the next thing we want to do is we are creating a function. So the function name is add tags. That's the function name. The function name is add tags. So of course the function name is, so the parameter inside is tags. So now we now say tags dot append tags, string tags added. So what is this saying here? What we are basically saying here is when a user add a text, right? The message that it will get is text has been added. That's like what this thing, this, or you can say tax added successfully. You can say tax added successfully. So, like when you make payment on let's say an app like OPay, for instance. So when you are done with the transaction, it tells you like transaction successful. So it's the same thing with what we are having here. So if tax in tax, then I can just, so please, are you guys following? Please just let me know if you are following. This here, just from the first 4 lines, do you understand what I did there?
Yes, yes, I did.
Okay. Then, so now this one is for adding, this one is for removing. So if you want to remove a specific tag, so this is how you like go about it. So now, um, so you just print this guy. Now this will now say tag strip. So when you remove the tags, it is now going to, so what this is saying, if tags in tags, what this simply means is that if what you want to remove is in tags, so tags dot remove tags. So what now this if is a conditional statement. So let's say me and Eded, we went to a supermarket and then someone came in and want to give us a car, for instance. I'm trying to explain what this thing is. Or no, let's say we went to the supermarket, right? And then your boss now called you and he said, Eded, if you see a Milo on the shelf, remove one and pay the money, for instance, right? So now, what the condition, that is a conditional statement. That conditional statement is saying that if the Milo is on, let's say, the shelf, that's when you can buy it. But if it is not on the shelf, that means you cannot buy it. So that's basically what's happening here. So let's say you've created or added a tax. and then the tax now is no longer it's in tax, right? Now, if the tax is in tax, then it can be removed. But if it is not there, then it cannot be removed. So, but the output will be that once it is successfully removed, it will be tagged to remove successfully. So this is supposed to be successful. Please, are you people following? Do you understand what we just did for this
Yes,
remove?
sir. Yes, sir. I'm
Miss-
getting it.
But if
Okay.
the tax is not there, what will be the message? What will be the output?
No, there won't be any output.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, please, I want to ask the DEF. You typed it yourself, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Sorry. So the DEF is the full meaning is defined. That is how you create a function in Python. Don't worry, you'll get to that place as you are watching the video. So next one will be this thing. Else. So else print. So Mr. Inka, this answered your question, right?
Yes.
So this is just more like when you are creating a database for, let's say, an organization, let's say for a particular store. So they say remove this particular item, let's say for instance, or you guys have added an item and then you are removing items. So if you want to now remove an item now, this will, in creating a database where it's going to be managing, let's say, everything there, this is like a simple process as to how you can go about it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next one is view tags. So if tags, sorry. So if tags So now we want to view, let's say, our tags. So for tags in tags, so you can now go ahead and print f tag. Else. Are you guys following?
Yes, sir, but from that number 16, I don't really understand.
Okay, so here,
What's
so
the
for
difference
tag,
between
yeah, so
what's the
for
difference
number,
between the tax with S and the one without S?
okay, the tax is, so the tax is the name of is the variable name. Do you get? Well, this
Yes, sir.
tax is the name of the value, or is the data that you have put inside let's say you want to sleep now. So sleep is like what this variable is basically
Okay.
doing. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So yeah.
Sorry, my one is why did we put after define view task, we now put if task, print your task. Why do we have if task?
Okay, why we have if tags here is
Like,
because you want to view the tags. Do you understand?
mm,
Do you understand? So you want to view the tags. This function is for you to view the tags. So if tags means for if tags is a conditional statement. If, for instance, students, for instance, you want to see the total number of students that are in primary one. So you say if primary one now, right? Print primary one. That's basically, or print all the students in primary one. Do you understand? So you are
okay,
specifying what you want to actually view.
okay.
Yes. Okay. So now, the reason why I had to bring it here is so that it can be all in alignment with this, with for the all conditional statement here, so that it can be in all alignment. So the next one we are doing is main, for instance. Okay, so def main come on. View tags is basically what I'm trying to do. Um, okay. View tags N4 then dot X. So do you know what we are doing now? We are basically creating a this thing, a like options. Are you understanding?
Not really, sir. I'm not understanding.
Okay, so here now, what I'm trying to do now is, so if you want to do your to-do list, you see like where to add, where to remove, and all of those things. Do you want like let's say um you are making calls with MTN. MTN will now tell you choose one, choose two, choose three, or four, something like that. So what we are basically doing right now is we are creating options where you can actually impute an options that will now enable you to know if whether the task you are about to perform is either to add a task or to remove a task, to view a task or to exit. You understand? So here now we are saying that we have created a function called main. So this N1 is for us to add tags, and sorry, N2 is for us to add tags, and N3 is for us to remove tags, then view is for us to view tags. So then exit, that is you don't want to do anything basically. So now choice, this input, enter your choice. You can now enter either N1, N2, N3, or N4 to perform your tags. Does that make sense?
Yes, but I like to ask this N1, N2, N3, they're just your own.
Yes, you can put any number.
Okay. Then this slash, what does this slash? What does it actually represent?
What, this slash?
Yes, this is backslash, right?
Yes.
So what does it represent, or why?
Backslash most times like take you to like the new number or to like take the text
Okay.
to the next line.
Okay. Just like a break
Yes.
in continuation.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay. So let's go.
Yeah, please, I want to ask, on 23, that space you gave at the end before the close bracket, is it supposed to be so?
This space here.
Towards the end, after exit.
No, if no, Python is not that case sensitive. It's spacing, but it's not like
Oh,
does not matter.
okay, sir.
Yeah. So if choice is equals to one, basically. All right, so can you see that the code is working? Mr. Inka, Eded.
Yes, sir, I can see, but I don't understand from where you started that a leaf choice to.
Choice 2, you did not understand what, that's from 26.
Okay, my problem now is you said N1 is for adding tax, right?
Uh,
Okay, then from sorry, not a leaf choice two, from 3, right? What I've observed is from 25, after if choice, there is task, then there's add task.
yeah,
Then from 28, after a leaf choice, there is task, then there is remove tax.
yeah.
But from 21, why is it not tax, then view tax, the way it follows the sequence from choice 1 and choice 2? I don't know if you understand my question.
Like else if choice equals to 4. Is that where your confusion is or where?
I'm thinking if I should follow it from, since you said if choice 1, then the next line is tax, then impute your tax. The next line is add tax. Then
Uh,
if choice 2, there is tax, impute the tax, then there's remove tax.
yeah.
So I'm thinking, is it not supposed to be if choice 3, tax, impute, then view tax?
Okay. Okay. So like view, you don't have anything to add there. Do you understand? Like view, you are only viewing what it's in the text already. Not like you are not remove, add, you have to do something. Remove, you
Yes.
have to do something. But in text, viewing, you don't really do anything in viewing. You understand? So that's
Okay,
where you
okay, yes,
have
I
view.
understand now.
Yeah. Okay, Mr.
Okay,
Inka, do you have
understand.
any question?
Then, then number 34, the 33, a leaf choice 4. In 23, I saw exit, but here in 34, you use break. Is
Yeah,
it okay
yeah,
like that?
yes, the exit is the break.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
I understand now. Thank you, sir.
yes. Okay, Mr. Ika, you can go ahead. Hello, Mr. Inka. Okay, so now if you follow this, you just see, so let's say we press 1, then enter your tax. So I can just say read a book or no, sleep today, sleep or sleep till evening, for instance. So
I'm
sleep
not
till,
seeing anything you're doing on your screen. Okay, okay, I can see it now.
yeah, sleep till evening. In tax after is not defined. Item coming. Oh shit. I'm coming now. Uh, tax. Entire tax. Add tax is not defined. Okay, I'm coming. I'm supposed to like run each and every one of this. All right, so let's do some debugging. So debugging is the process of searching for a specific error from your code to know why it is not working. Let me see. Wait, this is working. Uh, okay, so help is working perfectly well. 3. So you can see when after I put 4, it exited and no more any other thing I am to do again. So, but if I come back and run the program, but I don't know, I'm coming. I'm having an issue. Enter your tax stream. Oh, so yeah, it was added successfully. So our code is working perfectly fine. So, Mr. Linka, do you have the same result with me?
Hello?
Yes.
No, I'm actually listening on my phone, so I'm not typing.
Oh, you are not practicing.
Yes.
Oh, wow. All right. So this class, I'm just
Right.
going to, we are not really even going to do much. So I'm just going to quickly see how I can upload this one and share it with you guys so that you practice and share your result with me before
Okay.
6 p.m. Yes. So let me just quickly,
We
uh,
don't have light. Our
oh,
light is left.
that's, oh, okay, okay. Okay,
And
anyway, let me just,
they put us on Bande. We're on Bande, but no light.
okay, wow. That's not nice.
Hmm.
Uh, okay, so let me just quickly do this. So Edit, you make sure you install your own. Okay, I said you can use Jupyter Notebook to actually practice. I say Jupyter Notebook. You can use.
A Visual Studio Code.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. So let me just end this. Then I can just save it and upload it for you guys as fast as possible.
No problem, sir.
All right.
Okay, sir.